Hey guys, News Now California, out in downtown Los Angeles. I'm at the Los Angeles Police Motor Transport Division, located at 519 South Wall Street.
Recorded too. Can I ask you why you're recording? Huh? Can I ask you why you're recording?
You can ask me whatever you want.
Okay.
Why are you coming out here and putting your hand in front of the camera?
Because I'm talking to you and you're not answering me.
I don't need to answer.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
Yeah, go back and do your job, fool.
Have a nice day, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too.
What are you, tyrant? Put your hand up to my camera because I'm not talking to you?
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Thank you. I like
What's your point, man?
what's yours? What's yours?
You think I gotta answer you?
I'm asking you what you're doing. It's
Yeah,
a simple
and
question.
because I don't answer you, you put your hand in front of my camera. You're a punk. Remember that. You're a punk. You block my camera because I'm not answering your question? What's your name and badge number? Huh? What's your name and badge number in the booth, huh? Yeah, you don't want to give it, man. So this is how it is, ladies and gentlemen. Because I'm not answering his questions, he just comes out and puts his hand in front of my camera. A typical tyrant. He feels that because I don't answer his question, he's going to block my camera. Look at this fool. What's your name and badge number? 2080.
Hey sir, how you doing?
I was doing good until this unprofessional officer comes out.
Okay. Can I ask you what happened? Everything okay?
Sure.
Sure,
you can ask me.
Southbound Olive and a green pickup, Lakewood 4, Nora 2, Frank.
I'm out here on a public sidewalk,
Yeah.
filming. And he comes out. Get him away from me, I'll talk to you. I feel threatened by this fool.
Do you?
Okay.
Why don't you tell him
Sir.
the truth then, okay? Tell him the truth, okay? We won't have an issue.
All right. Hey sir, listen. So this is
No, I'm
basic-
not going to listen. You asked me to explain what happened. All right? I'm out here on a public sidewalk filming. He comes out behind his gate and goes, "How you doing, sir?" I don't have to talk to him. He goes, can I ask you why you're filming?
We all have
I don't have to
Hispanic,
talk to
20 years,
him.
beige
And then he
shirt,
immediately
black
clicks
pants.
and starts blocking my
Toyota
camera,
Golf
puts his hand up.
community,
I said, what gives you the right to block my camera? He says, well, you're not answering my questions. I don't have to answer his questions, and he doesn't have any right to block my camera. And the reason he blocked my camera, Officer Rukowski, is it?
Sergeant Rukowski.
Sergeant,
Yeah.
5777. The only reason he told me he blocked my camera is because I wasn't answering his question. All right?
Okay. Well, sir, this is what I'll do. I'll talk to him about it. The thing is that we've been having a lot of security issues. I'm going to explain to you real quick. About 4 hours ago, we had a gentleman that was over here and he was trying to get in. And so we just want to make sure everyone's safe. But you're more than welcome to record. It's your right. It's your First Amendment right. I'm sure you don't need me to explain that to you. We just don't want you we just don't want you to block this area or that area.
Dude,
and also be mindful that cars are going to be coming out
Sergeant,
all the time.
I'm quite aware of what to do.
And we just don't want,
Sergeant, I'm
anyone
quite
to get
aware of not blocking the sidewalk. And if
Great.
I was walking in the sidewalk, it's up to the person not to hit me, number
Sure.
one. But for him to come out and do that and tell me that the reason he blocked my camera is because I would not answer his question.
Okay.
That's total bullshit.
Okay. I'll talk to him, okay?
What are you going to talk to him about?
I'll talk to him about that. Just let you come out. If you want to record, all we ask is that we just want you just to be safe, okay?
Yeah, I have no issue about
Great.
being safe, but I don't need this tyrant coming out
Okay.
and telling me that the reason he's blocking my
Yeah.
camera is because I'm not
Yeah.
answering his question. Now, I don't have to talk to the police.
True.
I'm doing a legal activity. I'm on a sidewalk. I'm not blocking here. I've got the video. He walked all the way over
Where's
here.
your vehicle? Where's your vehicle?
My vehicle?
Or did you walk here, or are you?
Yeah, why do you think I have a vehicle? Why would you want to know where my vehicle is?
Well, anyway.
Are you trying to just like...
No, I'm making sure you're okay. I'm making sure that
by
everything's
knowing where
okay.
my vehicle is?
All right, sir. Have a good day. If
That makes no
if I'm not
sense.
going to be able to have a conversation
Well,
with
we are
you,
talking. I'm
trying to, but every time I ask you a question, you get
But
upset
why do you want
and
to
everything,
know? Why do
so
you want to know where my
I
vehicle is?
Just asking.
I know, but what's the point?
Well,
Why?
what's the point of this conversation?
No,
If
come
you're
on.
not going to hold a
Why
conversation
I'm
with me,
talking to
all we
you.
want you to do, sir, is I'm concerned about your safety. I
No,
just
you're
don't
not.
want you to
No,
get
you're not.
hit or anything. Obviously,
No,
I
you're
don't want
not.
anything
You
to
want to
happen
just
to you or
bark orders.
anything. Thank you so much.
Because you all protect
Okay,
your
have
own.
a good day.
You all protect your own, man.
Have a good day.
Yep. And go tell him to f himself for me. So here's how it goes. Where's your vehicle? And I don't want to answer it. And he tells me, well, then we can't have a normal conversation. Get educated?
Come on, Mom. Hey.
Did the Sergeant Rukowski educate him?
Sorry?
Did the Sergeant Rukowski educate this guy? The guy that came out and put his hand in front of my camera? Did he get educated?
We're good, sir.
No, I asked a question. Did he get educated? Did I have a right to film here? He doesn't have a right to block my camera because he says I'm not answering his questions? You get educated about that, officer?
I am educated, sir. Thank you.
You got educated.
No, I am educated.
I didn't ask that. Did you get educated about blocking a camera?
I am educated, and don't put it in my face, okay?
You walked up to me. This officer is really digging a deeper hole for himself. Blocking my camera because you say I'm not answering a question. I have no legal obligation to answer a question. I'm not doing anything illegal. You don't come out and block a camera because he wants to say I'm not answering his questions. Where's your vehicle, Sergeant? Can't we have a normal conversation? You seem to be getting mad when I'm asking you where your vehicle is. Where's your vehicle, Sergeant? He thought he was going to hem me up. You guys can't do jack because I'm not doing anything illegal. It's bad cops like him that make the whole department look bad. Y'all protect your own. Remember that guy? Sergeant, I want his name and badge number. I want to file a complaint.
I'm gonna pick that at least I wanted to see.
Sergeant Rutowski, are you ignoring me? I want his name and badge number. Now I'm going to file 2 complaints against you. Dereliction of duty.
Last minute, on our list is like 13 or 25.
Filing a complaint against you, dude. See, this is how it is, ladies and gentlemen. Sergeant walks away, won't give a name and badge number. All right, Officer Elwood, you're a disgrace to the LAPD. Remember that, a disgrace, if you can even spell it. I got it now. It's gonna go in your jacket. Gonna go in your jacket. Remember that, Elwood.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. I can't slow